Sensory bins are all-inclusive. They have everything you need for safety and convenience, down to the bin which doubles as its own portable storage. Each sensory bin features contents that engage the senses and set a scene for children to scoop, sort, and explore. As an open-ended concept, sensory bin play is left up to the imagination. Cognitive development and creative confidence flourish with sensory play. Experiencing the senses through a creative outlet helps children begin to develop and understand concepts such as memory, problem-solving, and decision-making. Experience hands-on, independent, or interactive play through communication with your child and this all-in-one bin of imagination. Sensory Bins by Creativity for Kids.